Hello, this is Greg. Today I'm going to do an extension cord repair. This one's been repaired before, and this plug just does not hold the receptacle anymore. Everything just comes off from it. So the other end is unplugged from the wall. So I'm just going to give this a snip right here. And we'll just throw that over there. Can't cut this right down the middle here. There we go. Pair of scissors, and let's pull this out a little bit so it's easier for me to. There we go. It's better. Any cuts in any of that? No. That looks pretty good. First thing I want to do is stick it through this end cap, because there's nothing worse than forgetting the end cap. So if you're watching this, that's the money maker right there. Put that end cap on before you start messing with this stuff. This is my main ground, but I want to get my polarities right. So I need to see which one of these goes to. It should be this one? No. It's this one. And this one goes to ground. Yes? No? Well, come on now, grab on to it. Yeah, round. White. No. White is the fat side. So white is the fat side. And that makes that the fat side. So we'll go right straight through, and that is the white right there. So let's go ahead and open. So I think I'm going to solder this wire, and I'm going to cut a little bit more off of it as well. We'll go just a bit, not a bunch, just enough to where make sure it's all the way up in there and underneath here. Huh? Okay. All right. Now let's, I think I'll get rid of that for now. And the fat one is the white, so the white one's going to go. Oh, look at that. That is just me without my glasses is what that looks like. So the white wire went in the fat one, which is right here. And where's the hole at? Right in there. Let's see how that locks down. Oh boy, that locked down tight. Oh God, yes, look at that. In there, excellent. So then the black is going to go in that hole. Right. Let me see, what do we got in there? Is that, need to loosen that up a little bit and get into there, don't I? Right into that little hole. I'll check that other one. I'll pull that white one back out and see where that went into. Because it did seem to tighten down relatively quick. Oh, now that was way better. And yeah, look, it's underneath. It's just crimping the wire down, so that wouldn't have worked. Loosen you up, pull you out, and there's the hole right there. So, and that will sandwich in between right there. Excellent. Oh yeah, and then it really took a while for it to cinch down too. All right, one more. Let's loosen you up. Come on. There we go. take a look in here. There it goes. Opening it up. Look at that. And screw you down to here. Come on. Ooh. Strip out my screw head. Amateur. Excellent. Okay, now let's grab this, turn on the multimeter, grab this end here, and we will go into here, and excellent. Go into here, and into here. That's all we need right there. We're golden. We are golden. Turn that off. And then we'll pull this little guy up. Excuse my old man grunt. There we go. Now, let's see. Let's pull those all the way up from there. Let's see. How does this go? There? Is that the one? No? There it is, right there. I think that was it. Okay. And, oh, and that's going to cinch onto there. Oh, yeah, with gappage. That'll be tight. Okay, so let's go ahead and lock this down. Come on. These are very odd, the way these screws go in. See how they just like go, just boom. Look at this. Look at this, like a half a turn or a quarter turn. Boom. And that is locked on there tight. Now we'll take these ones and give them just a little bit on each side. And what I'm shooting for is to kind of have it go in here. You can see my cut's just a little bit long there too, isn't it? Well, see my grabber? I'm still going to get a full line on it. And this is going to, I know where this one's going to sit, so I'm not going to be real super picky, but I want to keep this going in even at both sides. So we'll give that a little crimp. We'll go over to this side. Oh, come on. Well, now go in the little slot there. 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 Okay. That's in there tight. Nice. Look at that. That's a nice extension cord now. Okay, one final test. Plug it in. Make sure through all of that I didn't mess something up. And 124 volts. So, perfect. And that is what I consider a backyard electronican repair job. I'm sure a proper electrician could show you something more or tell you something different, but as far as my knowledge goes, that works. And the reason why I wanted to make sure that if you're still listening, that these lined up, I'm an amateur, I don't understand it completely, but apparently you have to have it in a loop. If it's all in one loop going around, everything works better. So, makes sense to me, so I try and follow the rule. So, turn that off. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.